I've just replaced this Mercedes AMG A45 from the small screen, the tiny screen, upgrade to this 10.25 inch touchscreen. Look at the size difference. And it doesn't affect any original system like navigation, radio, vehicle information, and well, this is the vehicle setting, and you can see everything is same as original. Everything is touchscreen. You can have Google Map. Also, you can have Waze. I will show you later. You can download any app you want in the Play Store. Facebook, even Instagram, YouTube.
Semanis-manisnya bak gula, rupa nan elok penghibur ayah bunda, indah kurniaan maha esa.
We have just done installing this YouTube video that our own channel. There are plenty of video inside. So basically, this is a YouTube channel that you can watch it from this Android screen. Okay, let's go to the Waze. So these are the Waze that I just downloaded just now. Just let sound on. The sound will come up from the car speakers. Very good quality product. Back to the original screen.
Cancel.
So these are the original setting, original multimedia, so it doesn't affect anything. Alright, that's all. Bye bye, thank you for watching.